the right research, the right motivation, maybe a little bit of help, you can get there. This, I promise you. YouTube success, it starts before you hit record. Something I've learned the hard way. Just sit down and ask yourself, who am I talking to? Right? Who's your audience? Who actually wants to hear this? Once you know your audience, I mean, really know your audience, every decision gets easier. Every decision gets easier. Okay, from the moment you start making notes to the title, the thumbnail, the hook, keep them in mind every single time. Your thumbnail, it isn't just a picture, it's a mini billboard. Your title isn't a label, it's the headline that gets the click, right? And your hook isn't just the first 15 seconds, it's the promise that you made in that thumbnail and title paying off immediately. Now, people don't want just information, right? They want to feel something. That doesn't mean every video needs to be a blockbuster hit, but small touches make such a big difference. Like text on screen to hit your main point, a quick animation of the like and subscribe buttons while you talk, or even something fun. Say I mention your channel, flying on a plane, and boom, a little plane, 2D cartoon zips across the screen. Silly, sure. Memorable? Absolutely. Trying to keep it all together takes time. At first, it feels like a lot, but eventually it's just your flow, your rhythm. You'll know exactly what to do and it'll feel natural. And that's what I'm here for, to help you find that flow, to build a workflow that keeps you creating, keeps you motivated, and keeps you moving forward. I'm Chappy, Uncut. Watch this next video so you don't miss the next one. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. All right? You got this.